This is our new little girl, Freedom Bird. Freedom Bird. Freedom Bird. Freedom Bird just went out to play. She just went out and had a little walk around. And now she's ready for some dinner. What are you doing, Freedom Bird? Those cool feet. Daisy, shut up! Eat! Look at his cool feet. Her feet are like striped black and brown. Oh yeah, you're a puppy. You're a puppy. What you do? What you do? You gonna play with me? Play with me? You gonna 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 play with me? Yeah. Okay. What you gonna do? You gonna play with me? Are you hearing me? Yes, you're a good girl, aren't you? You're a good girl. You'd be a good girl. Okay. That's Free Bird. Look at those cool feet. Woof. Woof. All right, that's Free Bird.